Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So last 2 days we didn't post any video. That is because you know what is going to happen or what is happening in the market, right? All you have to do is short the market, and that's what we have been saying for last 4 or 5 trading session, right? So everybody was long in the market, and it was a perfect trap. I wouldn't say a trap because we know that because whenever the market goes on the higher side, it goes on lift, but from there it jumps, right? So whatever happened for a reason. You have to understand that. Now all these days, you know that in spite of inflation coming at higher rate and Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate, market went up. That is mainly because of earning season. You know, I track the US market more than Indian market. Why? Because we Indians don't follow our market, rather we follow US market very aggressively and very briefly, right? So US market, US futures are falling down it is very much in the red. As I talk to you also, it is in the red, which we will see in a few minutes. And before that, as I told you, earning seasons are over in the US. From Alphabet to Google, from Meta stock, everything came out with more than expected result. That was the main reason why US market rallied, and obviously we also rally following the mother market, which is the US market, right? Now, if you know that Nifty has already, for the last 10 or 15 trading session, if you see Nifty and Bank Nifty alone has moved more than 1,200 points. In fact, from 16,800 we touched where around 18,000. So high was 17,992, just 8 points away from 18,000. And today, today we closed below 17,500. Many people believed that 17,500 was a good support. In fact, today morning I saw put writing at 17,500, but it is very unfortunate. 17,500 is also taken out. And you know, Bank Nifty rallied more than 2,000 or 2,500 points. Now what is going to happen going forward? That is the main concern. Whether you can short the Nifty or whether you can sell call option, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, that is the question, right? Now, as I told you, US market were in the earning season, Indian markets were also in the earning season, so markets rallied. Now that 75% of the earning results have come out, now market needs some news for some momentum, right? Whether it is positive or negative, we need some news for the markets to take somewhere, whether it is downside or upside, right? That's how the market works. Now what they are talking is that now they are talking about US Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, and the interest rate hike. Now many market participants in the US expect that Federal Reserve in September will come out and increase the interest rate by 50 basis point, which will take overall interest rate to 2.75%. They have already increased 2.50%. Now another maybe is 2.25%, I believe. Yeah, 2.25%, maybe another 50 basis point, it's going to be 2.75. So all the Fed members are very hawkish, and they are they wanted to increase the interest rate. Now, 26th of August, that is in just another 4 days, Jerome Powell is going to speak. Where he is going to speak? He is going to speak in Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, right? So he is going to deliver a speech on 26th of August. So market is waiting for that. Whether what he is going to speak or how he is going to turn out, whether he is going to be hawkish or whether he is going to be dovish, we really don't know. But market is expecting that. India VIX is also gone. It's, I think, almost 20, and even S&P VIX is also around 25 or above 25, right? So all you have to do is short the market. Now also there is time. You can short the market. You can sell 18,000 call option, 18,100, 200, 300, 400, 500. You can sell, right? India VIX is also in a very sweet spot. You will get good premium. And in fact, I'll tell you today morning what happened. I sold 17,500 call option for 75 rupees on maybe last Friday, and you know how much it is trading for today? 54 rupees. And you know what is the call premium? Call premiums were spiking like anything, and put premium there was no spike at all, right? In spite of all this drama, in spite of market coming aggressively down, today alone Nifty came down by 200 points, right? That is because there are more call writers. Call is in high demand. That is why we are seeing high premiums in call options, right? Now, what is going to happen next? That is the thing. As I told you, you go and short the market. As I talked to you, this is the US futures. If you see, Dow Jones is down almost 1%, S&P is down by 1.13%, and Nasdaq is down by almost 1.50%. S&P VIX is up by 4.68%, which will take it above maybe 5 or 6 points. It will go above 25. So 25, below 25 is considered to be a good VIX in US, but S&P VIX is going above 25. So you may see high volatile moves in US market, and we will also continue suit. That is the nature of our Indians, right? And as I told you, there is call rating 17,500, 17,600, 17,700. August expiry, highest call is at around 18,000. You can go and sell 18,000 call option also. Today, tomorrow morning also you can do. Of course, there is a disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. Now, if you sell 18,000 call option, and if the market reverses, what is going to happen? Nothing is going to happen. Even if you sell 18,000 call option, in case the market reverses, VIX will drop, and there will be theta decay, which will help you. Maybe you will come out with a minor profit or minor loss. Even if you are in a loss, we can manage that with some adjustment. So that is the idea here. Go and sell call option. And I don't think FII data would have come yet. Time is only 6 o'clock. Yeah, FIIs have today sold for around 453 crores, and DAS have also sold for 85.06 crores. In FIIs have sold 453 crores in cash provision market. And this is the snapshot of Nifty and Bank Nifty. In fact, this is Nifty. Bank Nifty was performing well, like it was sustaining, but Bank Nifty was sustaining, but Nifty was not sustaining. We saw a huge drop in Nifty. Actually, Nifty was down by 1.51%, but Bank Nifty is down by 1.77%. So I don't want to go inside which stock went up, which stock came down, prediction, that is expectation, all these things I don't want to talk. All I want to say is just short the market until this expiry. Maybe you will make some money. So that's what we did, and we are sitting in good profit. Not only us, even our members who follow in our mentorship program are also in profit. So if you want to join, you can find the link for the same in the description below, right? I hope I have summarized everything. Nothing much. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.